Today we're coming over to the Midway store, the store with the dyno. My flight instructor is here. We're gonna dyno his friend's car. Let's go in.
What up?
This is Dolph, my flight instructor. This is his brother.
Not his brother.
I know it's not his brother, but he does look like
his brother.
he does look like his brother. So this is Chris. And your M3. And you got mods to it.
Yes.
My name's Fabio.
And that's Fabio.
Hi, Fabio.
Dalton's my flight instructor, though. He's pretty cool. All right. So we told you it was $250 for the first pull and $500 for the next pull. After
That
that,
seems completely unreasonable.
yeah. All right. So we're gonna dyno this. We're just for science. We're just gonna see what it makes for power and what does it have for mods?
So it's a BorgWarner EFR 8474.
Oh, it
single
does
turbo.
have different turbos.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, big single or medium single, whatever you want
Okay.
to call it. Intercooler, fuel, supporting mods for it. So.
Like port injection?
No, it's all
Okay.
DI.
You can
It's
do it
all
with the DI
Yep. It's
on
got
these ones?
Upgraded high pressure fuel pump, low pressure fuel pump, and injectors out of an F10 M5. So
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think it'll make for power?
tuner says it's into the 700s.
Ooh,
So,
spicy.
On the Mustang dyno, I'm hoping for like 640,
Something.
650,
Okay.
something like that.
Dalton, what do you think?
I'm gonna say 610.
610.
610. I'm gonna be
The pessimist.
yeah, the pessimist.
I know nothing about this thing.
What year is it?
15.
Feels fast.
It feels fast.
But I'm
fast
worried
enough.
about the Mustang dyno. Like,
Yeah,
Is this
the
S58 or
Hurting some feelings.
S55?
55.
so it's single turbo. Is it like the one where it has no manifold kind of thing?
That's how the stock turbos are.
Okay.
They're like integrated in the housing. This has a big, I mean, you can see it's a big tubular.
Let's go look at it.
It's a
Crazy.
BorgWarner, so they don't use the normal sizing. Like, so I think it's like a 68 millimeter inducer on the compressor.
Yeah, I have a BorgWarner on there.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah,
a
that
90,
thing's
it's a
a little bit bigger than
9180 or something. But which is a 69 millimeter.
Yeah,
Yeah,
well,
the same
yeah.
thing. But that's how Garrett does it too. Like
Yeah, they got weird sizes.
Garrett's the same way. They measure the exducer and
Yeah, and that's what it is. The exducer's an 84
Yeah.
on here. So
All right. So what are we thinking for power? What do I think?
698. And I have no idea what's done. I have no idea what's done to it.
I'm saying 623.
623.
Okay.
Well, I guess let me ask you this. What size turbo is it?
BorgWarner EFR 8474.
So
how much
what is the inducer? Do you know?
29 to 30.
What is the inducer?
68, I think.
Okay. Okay, so this I'm gonna say 647.
All right, I like that.
0.3.
0.3. There it is. 647.
I mean, I would like. I'm still keeping it at 698, but I wouldn't be surprised if it went into the sevens.
All right.
It's a lot of. I mean, it's a fair amount of boost, and they're good flowing motors. So
Yeah, how much boost?
30
2
pounds.
hours, so 29, 30.
Okay. Yeah.
and it's amazing.
651.8. All right.
The number's going up. That's good.
All right, we can stop editing here now. Now
I'll
we
change
can-
his number after we
Yes.
dyno too.
Yeah, we'll edit it out and I'll put the correct number and it'll be spot on.
684.9.
Yeah. Spicy! You might have one of your top 3, maybe?
Yeah, I mean, you made. Wow. Your torque is scary all the way through, but yeah, your graph's really smooth too.
Well, I guess $15,000 in turbo upgrades is worth it.
I mean, the second pull usually rates higher, so we'll do another.
We need a second one? And then if it's alright, I want to do one of my other maps too.
This $500, he's doing the second
Oh,
one.
there's two.
Oh, okay.
One's like a linear power map, and this is
It's
This
still
will do it
Yeah.
big mode.
yeah, apparently. Okay, so-
All right, we're gonna do another pull.
So what to say?
Yeah, I mean they're basically identical.
It's holding power all the way to 8,000.
You gotta get an M3 now?
Yeah, I've wanted one for a while. I miss my BMW.
And started on fire.
That started on fire. You just can't beat these 6-cylinders. They flow so well. Like the airflow through the motor is just amazing.
You happy with that?
Oh yeah, very happy. 770 on a Mustang dyno? Hell yeah.
Did you think it would make that power?
No.
Okay. Well, that's crazy.
Well, who's closest though? Let's get that. I said 698. Anyone guess higher than that?
772.
Oh, I think you're closest, yeah. Me and Tim were like 640,
Nice.
650, and Dalton was
Sorry.
610.
Sorry.
None of you guys had faith.
hater.
Map 1 made 649. So
Yeah, so I.
Dalton's riding the hater train.
Yeah. Well, I got my heart hurt with
Yeah.
my car.
Yeah.
All right, that was a fun dyno day. Like and subscribe and
Do it big.
buy something on merch because we've never sold anything. Maybe one day we will.
I'll buy a shirt, Tim.
Yeah. Buy it
$500
once.
to buy a shirt.
Yeah.
At least we made $750 for letting him
Yeah.
dyno. We just got to figure out how to get it out of him.
700 horsepower.